In response to feedback we've received about how best to keep you updated about the conference, we've developed the SLED, or the Student Conference Logistics, Planning, Emergency Support, and Details and Resources website. Anywhere you see Togo on the SLED, or anywhere related to the conference, click on him, and he'll take you to our email address. He'll take you to the information about our information sessions, when and how to access those, our help desk sessions, which will run all day on Tuesday and Wednesday prior to the conference, as well as all day on Thursday, the conference date itself, and just a reminder to check the SLED for any further updates as we go along. On the second page of the SLED, you'll find we have a link to the instructions. That's a 2-page document that you can read in detail online, or which you can print out as a PDF. We also provided you a link to our YouTube playlist. That's where you found the video you're watching right now, as well as an introduction to the virtual student conference overall, and to how to play for the various types of turns you might encounter as you're playing the game. What Can I Print Out is a folder in Google that provides you with PDFs and the files for all the 3D objects and trinkets that you've seen in the game. Could You Remind Me is just a short, quick Tabletopia start guide so you can figure out how to do things like R for roll, space for zoom in, etc. It Isn't Working is set up in case you're having difficulty with the Tabletopia platform, or if the QR codes are not working the way you wanted to, you can get to all the aspects of the game using different methodology, including a Google Slides version of the game. Any Tech Tips from Me is set up as a one-pager for both you and your tech directors. The big 3 things we'd like you to remind you to try in advance are launching Canva on a student device, testing the QR code reader also on a student device, and then launching Tabletopia on a device that you'll be displaying in your classroom. And please make sure you do that on your school network and on school devices to make sure that that's how it's working. For many people, these are working at home with no difficulty, but aspects of their web or aspects of their access are not working as well in their school contexts, and we want to make sure we troubleshoot that in advance. This is a spreadsheet to provide to your tech directors, to provide them with information about the various sites that we'd like you to put on your allow list. And finally, when you're ready to start the game itself, just click on I'm ready to start, and it'll open up our landing page for the conference.